better local news updates anytime. Follow WWAY on Twitter. Now, here's meteorologist Helen Holt with your forecast first.
Well, the key word to describe today's forecast was definitely hot. We had widespread 90s under mostly sunny skies, which attracted a lot of people to head out to the beaches today. Lots of people still out in Wrightsville Beach right now as we take a live look on our Stevenson Skyview camera network. Saw a few storms spark up along the sea breeze, but honestly, they were few and far between. We do have a heat advisory still in place until 8 o'clock. So heading into the new work week, will we see a break from the heat? I'll have that answer. WWAY News Channel 3 at 6 starts right now.
Storm Track 3 forecast.
And we're wrapping up this weekend with some beautiful weather. I want to start out with this live look in downtown Wilmington along the Cape Fear River. Looks like a tour happening right there. Perfect evening to do anything outside. We have lots of sunshine. You can see that on our Stevenson Skyview camera network. Definitely a very toasty day though. 92 degrees was the official high at the ILM airport, a little bit above average even this morning, starting out in the middle 70s. So a warm day all the way around. That even sparked up a few storms right along the sea breeze. Once we got past 2 or 3 o'clock, you saw those storms start to fire up and they pushed their way inland. Heavy rain and a little bit of lightning associated with that now, but things are very quiet in our Storm Track 3 radar and satellite. Just a few little clouds out there, and it's setting up to be a really nice evening, just a very warm one. Look at temperatures right now, still in the 90s in most spots. 94 degrees in Lumberton, 95 in Fayetteville. Here in the Port City, 90 degrees, but when you tack on the dew point, it still feels like 101 in Elizabethtown, 104 in Whiteville, and here in Wilmington, checking in at 101. So definitely some hot weather still out there at this time. We'll see temperatures get down to the middle to upper 70s, mostly clear, warm, muggy, southwest winds about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Heading into our Monday, temperatures back up into the 90s tomorrow afternoon with feel-like temperatures close to 100 degrees. So when are we going to break this heat wave? I'll have those details in the 7-day forecast. Hannah?
All right, we are taking a gorgeous look at Carolina Beach on our Stevenson Skyview camera network. Helen, no tropical storm here, just lots of sun and heat.
Couldn't have asked for a better day to be out and about. Definitely wanted to be near the water or in the water,
yes.
Definitely, because it was just so hot across southeastern North Carolina and really across the country. So let's go ahead and take a look at current conditions at Wilmington. 90 degrees right now. Our average high temperature for the afternoon was 90 degrees and we hit 92, so a little bit above average. But if I kind of zoom out and show you how current temperatures are across the country, it's definitely hot for the majority of these locations. Look at Oklahoma City right now, 98 degrees, Dallas 97, Chicago 91, Cincinnati 93 degrees. Why am I showing you this? It's because we have this dome of heat, high pressure and full control of majority of the country, and that's keeping everyone very hot. Do have a cold front over the Midwest, but that's not going to make it here. We're going to continue to stay in kind of very warm and moist environment over the next several days. On our muggy meter, yeah, we're going to be into the 70s for our dew points, and that's the amount of moisture in our air. And at that point, things feel very oppressive, and it's going to continue that way over the next week. So here's our forecast heat indices as we go into our Monday afternoon, probably right around 100 degrees in the afternoon. So very similar day tomorrow to what we had today, but heading into Tuesday, probably the widespread triple digits. Even hotter day for our Tuesday and the rest of the week. So tomorrow will actually be the coolest day. I say that very ever so slightly cooler for our Monday compared to the rest of the week. So here's our pinpoint futurecast model. We had a few storms this afternoon. All of the activity will be gone by sunset, making way for a mostly clear night. Starting out Monday morning, lots of sunshine, expecting it to be like that all day long. Maybe an isolated shower popping up along the sea breeze, but more the same as we head into our Tuesday. Mostly sunny skies in store once again, and at best 20% chance of a shower or storm for pretty much over the next several days. Look at our rain chances over next 7 days. Monday, Tuesday, 20% chance, creeping up a little bit for the second half of the week, but still very slim chance to see rain over the next week. So have in mind, if you have the gardens, the plants, you might need to give them a drink over the next couple of days. So mostly clear skies tonight, warm and muggy. Temperatures only falling down to the middle to upper 70s. Heading into our Monday, widespread 90s once again. Heat index probably near 100 degrees under mostly sunny skies. Make sure you're wearing your sunscreen. If you're heading out to the beach, definitely a nice day to do so. 89, southwest wind about 10 miles per hour, low risk for rip current. Quick look at the tropics. You know, we've been very quiet over the last several days, and it's going to continue to stay that way. The National Hurricane Center doesn't expect any tropical development over the next 5 days. So here's your 7-day forecast. It's the heat, humidity with us each and every afternoon. It's really a very similar forecast over the next several days, and really not much going to change. So definitely some hot weather. I mean, it is July, and it's going to feel a whole lot like it this week.
I have a feeling we're just going to keep talking about the heat for like weeks.
Well, hopefully we get a break, maybe next week.